We're looking at a swing volume profile indicator. Let's go through the setting. Here you can, for plot volume, you can set it to true. That means it will plot volume profile to the swing. Here from swing high to swing low automatically. And the next is number of volume profiles when it gets initialized. Okay, by default it is set to 10. It's set low because for a performance reason, because we don't know what type of PC that you have. If you have a low-end PC, you might need a low number. So by default we set it to 10. Okay, you can increase it, but the higher number it may slow down your PC. To mitigate that, you can decrease the volume resolution. Okay, the bar thickness to, let's say, to 50, and then you set this to 10,000. It will plot 10,000. Okay, 10,000 of this. Okay, it get plotted already. Next, here the bullish and bearish. That basically is just the swing channel and the frame, the volume frame color window. Volume frame width, we can set it to 5. Let's say set it to 5. You see here, becomes thicker. This is the swing high to swing low. Okay, swing high to swing low. Every volume profile get plotted automatically from swing high to swing low. You can also close. You can also delete the volume profile by clicking on it. It will show again when you click on it. Okay, it will show again, appear. You have to click on the swing channel. Okay, there is swing channel here, swing high, swing low. You have to click on the area where the swing is appear. Okay, it appears here. You click on it, give it a little bit wiggle like this, like right to left, it will plot. Okay, wait. Okay, there. Here, where's this one? Okay. Yes, you can disable this. You can disable it by setting this plot volume when click on the channel. Okay, set it to false. Sometimes you don't want to see it. And also another feature is that let's turn this off first. Let's turn off the volume, set to false. You can plot a volume from this point, right? And then you change the name to VV, the short name VV, vertical. It will plot the volume from this point to the end, to the right. It will be updated when you change it, the volume profile. Okay, just have to double click, it will update it. Double click, move it, slide it, double click. That's it. Also, another feature is that you can have this. Let's say you want to plot from this swing, from swing A to swing B. You want to see the volume profile because let's say you want to see the support and resistance. You just write VF, short name VF. Let's say VF1. There, it will plot from here to here. Okay. Let's make us a border. No, it doesn't have a border for this one. Okay. You can have multiple of this. Let's have multiple of this thing. Let's call this VF4. Okay, give it a little bit wiggle there, and it works. Okay. Now you can make support, plot your support and resistance. Okay, this is the support and resistance. Okay, so this volume profile, there are 4 colors. Light green, meaning there is a low volume. A pink color, that is where the value area is. And usually at the center or in the value area, you will find a point of control. Here, point of control, the color is gold. And blue color is where the volume is above average. Okay. So what's the meaning of low volume? Low volume is basically where the market is trending. Okay, there is imbalance. The market is aggressive. There is aggressive traders that take that takes the volume, takes the limit order like too much, and there is no liquidity, and it increased the price here. Here there's low liquidity. There is aggressive traders from here starting to place a market order, buy order, and it eats all the liquidity here, and there is not enough of it, and the market appreciates. And here for bearish, let's go to bearish. There's VF5. Okay, here liquidity is thin over here, right? It's trending, and when in the value area, when the market enters the value area, okay, let's say it starts from here, right? And then becomes like this. It evolve. Yeah. Here, this is the value area. Notice here there is a support and resistance over here. Okay. And that's VF6. Okay. Here you can plot the support resistance right here or here. The value zone, the value area can be treated as support and resistance. And then you place sell over there in the future. And then here. And then let's make another support and resistance zone right here. Okay, let's just use this one. See here, this used to be where the point of control used to be, right? So let's see, you see here this. Now the point of control move to the bottom, move lower. It used to be this one. Yeah, it used to be this one. Now it's this. And the market get rejected. It went inside what was a value area, value zone. It went inside it. Okay? It didn't go up. It stays there, right? And it went below the point of control. Here, resistance. Okay, it's so nice. Okay, right there. Here. You can have many of this. Let's say you put this one there, and also another one right here, right here. Let's call it VFTT triple T. Okay, there. It's, you can have many of these, and then you can just delete all. Delete all. It will delete that one also. And back using the plot volume. It's so simple, guys. So easy and simple. And let's use this to a 50 number of volume profile. And Windows width, let's use 500. The volume, oh wait, wrong. Resolution, volume resolution to 500. Oh, plot volume set to true. Okay, hide volume window, false. There are like 100 volume profile. Okay, here we found low volume, high volume. This is where the value area is. This is high volume, the blue color above average. Remember, we can use high volume, the pink, the value area as a support and resistance here over here, right? Support resistance. The market reject that one here also here, and this becomes the support. Becomes support. Here becomes support. This value zone, value area, and this becomes a resistance. Here's another resistance, but it becomes a support here. This value zone. Okay. And then here becomes a resistance, and here becomes support in the future over here, and it couldn't handle it. It couldn't handle the pressure, the bearish pressure. Okay. Yeah, so this indicator is very helpful for you to identify a support and resistance, trading opportunity, ranging market. You know, when the color is light green like this, light green color, it is trending. Here, trending. You see a high volume candle right here. If you use, let's say, you use say a volume indicator. Okay, usually when the volume profile is low, here the volume is high. Volume in the time axis, the time volume here. This is the time. You see here, low volume here, low volume profile here, but here the volume over here is high. That means there is support. Okay, for this example. You notice here, this is low volume over here. Okay, notice there's a low volume. There's a low low volume profile, and you see, look to the left, and here the volume is high. It's trending. When it's colored in pink color, the volume it's kind of so-so. Okay, it's relatively it's fluctuating, it's moving down. Okay, you see here, right here, the volume is like it's moving down a little bit. Okay, over here as well here. Yeah. So what I mean is when it is in when the volume profile is when the price is in the volume profile, basically the price is in distribution. Okay, distribution, accumulation, distribution zone, value area, where the market is balanced. The market is balanced. Here, this is the market is balanced. Okay, and here it becomes it has broke above it. It has broke above that. So now uh let's plot this volume starting from here. Okay, VV. Okay, here there's imbalance here. Imbalance here. It will go inside this. This is a new value area. So probably it will find support over here. And then it will go up and create a new value area, pink color, over here. This will become a smaller one. Okay. If you see from this old one, let's say this here to here. Let's make it BF5. Okay. This used to be a value area, right? Here, this one. This used to be value area. This one used to be value area. And now we have a new value area. Bigger than this one. Okay. This used to be a value area. And then as the time flies, the new the new the POC moves lower, indicating bearish. Okay, if the POC moves lower, it indicating bearish. Okay, here the POC is about to move higher than before. Okay, assuming the price continues its upward, its momentum to the upside, the POC will get higher and higher, and also the 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 value area. Okay, the value area gets higher as well. Here, okay, this is the volume. This is the value area. It used to be here. Now it's lower, and now it's about to go up. So that's it, guys. And this indicator is very helpful if you are a serious trader. And this indicator usually found in with institutional traders, like bankers. Let's enable plot when click on channel. I want to see it here. Here as well. Click, point and click. And here. Okay, here. Okay. And here, this is the green one. And this one. Okay, this. Oh, there is another one over here. Red and green. Okay, you see the small one. Here you pay attention with this small one here. It's a strong support. Okay, strong here. It's like a magnet. Actually, let's make this make 200 and reduce this to 150. Okay, now better. And let's disable click plot volume and click on channel. Okay, here we have found a value area over here. And market imbalance. Create a new value area over there. And make a new value area. You see it becomes slower. When we have a new box here, right? And the POC, it's the current POC is lower than previous. It means it is bearish. Okay. Here when the POC it's higher, you just have to buy when the price reach the low. Okay. When you can clearly see here a sideway, right? Here this from this particular date on the 25th, 26th. Okay, on the 26th. Here the market was in sideways, so you just buy when it reaches the low of the sideway. Okay, here the POC moves lower, so it's indicating it's bearish. Okay, it's okay to sell, right? And here it moves up higher, indicating bullish, right? This POC to this POC, it's higher. You just buy, and you just continue buy until here. You stop the buying because the POC it doesn't get higher than the previous. Okay, and you see here this is when it breaks this swing low. Okay, when it breaks this swing low, this POC becomes a resistance. It becomes a resistance. Maybe in the future it will touch this resistance. Okay, becomes resistance and becomes support here. Okay, and then we start seeing the POC keeps getting lower, and you just sell. It's indicating it's bearish, and the swing here it's red. Okay, it's indicating it's bearish. So this combined market structure, this swing channel, it's a market structure. The top one is swing high, the bottom one is swing low. This is the swing high. It breaks the swing high, the key level. Okay, the key level is the top, the key level resistance, key level support at the bottom. Here, it keeps a break of structure, and then change of character over here because it breaks the key level support. And this becomes a key level resistance here at the top, key level resistance, and then bam, we have a change of character over here, and we have another change of character. Okay, we have another change of character. It's sideways, but we don't have any follow up with the break of structure, right? I mean, it will be a valid trend change when we have when we have a change of character and break of structure. Here we have a change of character and then follow with wait, let me show you. Okay, here we have a bearish change of character, right? And then we have a break of structure here. Change of character. This is a swing low, key level support, bam. Change of break of structure, BOS. And then price, look for liquidity. Okay, where did it look for liquidity? Let's see. Let's plot a swing here. Okay, most likely it will plot the liquidity from the low volume area, VF4. Okay, you see here, so liquidity grab, it gets liquidity from over here and move down. Okay, liquidity grab. Liquidity grab, it moved down. And then we have another break of structure, another here. So break of structure, break of structure. Oh, ay. Okay, here another break of structure. Here, break of structure, break of structure, break of structure, and we have a change of character here. Okay, change of character because it broke the key level resistance. Okay, break of structure. It's not a complete change of trend until it breaks, until it has a break of structure. Okay, so we have a change of character and then break of structure. Then we have bullish. We have our bullish trend. Okay, here bullish, buy. You see here, we have a bullish days, break of structure. So change of character, break of structure, change of character. Whenever we have a change of character, it always follow with correction, and then we have a break of structure, correction, break of structure, correction, break of structure, correction, break of structure, correction, and this is a key level support here, change of character, okay, and then we have a break of structure over here. So that solidify for bearish case, and let's see whether it. Okay, so the bull is still strong. Here we have a change of character, right? Correction, little bit correction, little bit pause. It paused, break of structure, and then you buy. So you for reversal, bullish reversal, you have to wait for a bullish change of character and a break of structure. Okay, and then here we have a change of character, correction. You see that? Whenever we have the first time we have a change of character, it always follow with a correction, and then we have, and then when we have a correction, you could put sell over here, right? You could put sell over here, and stop loss is at above. You don't place the order over here because it has a low risk reward. But if you sell it here, during the correction of the change of character, and then we have a bearish correction, and then you short here, you will have a bigger risk reward ratio. Then we have, after that we have a break of structure. So we have change of character, correction, break of structure. Here it solidifies the bearish case, and then we sell again when it has a pullback. Okay, pullback we sell every time it has a pullback until we have a bullish change of character here. Bullish change of character, correction, right? You can buy on the pullback. and then you buy here, and then another pullback. Notice the key level support is flatlining. It's flat, right, for a period of time. That means it's safe to buy. And notice here the liquidity is low, right? Here the market picks liquidity. Is looking for a liquidity at the bottom over here, and it makes a new high. Okay, and here the market is in distribution phases. So that's all, guys. All right, bye bye. I hope you find this very helpful, and you could let me know if you ask me if you need anything. Okay, bye bye.